A lot can happen in the space of 3 days. It took the NASA Space Shuttle approximately 3 days to reach and land on the moon, and who doesn't love a 3-day weekend? Everyone has accidentally had an important file deleted from their computer by hardware failure, data corruption, or simple human error. Sangfor HCI is offering you 3 days of leeway and effortless time-to-point file recovery through their CDP program. Let's walk through this feature together in real time, starting on the HCI Management Console. First, I'll open the console of the Windows 7 CDP Test VM. I've created 4 documents to serve as our important files for the purposes of this demonstration. Notice when you open Document 4, you clearly see the creation date. Let's say Document 4 is a vital work document, presentation, or even your wedding photos. Now I'll delete Document 4. I'd like to note that CDP is capable of recovering any file compatible with FAT32 and NTFS file systems. To recover the lost file, simply go to the Backup CDP page of the VM to retrieve the file at a specific time point. Here you can see the timeline of the last hour. Because Document 4 was created at 3:04 p.m., let's point to 3:05:01 and click Browse File. To recover it, simply go to the Backup CDP page of the VM to retrieve the file at a specific time point. Go to the folder entitled Work, where you can immediately see and download your lost Document 4. While we download our lost file, let's discuss a few noteworthy features of the HCI 5.8.3, in addition to the CDP Near Zero RPO data protection and simplified backup solution. VMware Management allows you to manage the vCenter from the Sangfor HCI Management Console, while bidirectional migration provides easy mobility between VMware and HCI. When the download is complete, decompress the zip file and retrieve your information. Notice when you open the file that the document creation date and time information has remained exactly the same. With CDP, you can retrieve files and folders of Windows-based VMs at any time in the past 3 days. If you check out the timeline here, you can see that every 5 seconds there's an I/O log record to make sure absolutely no data is lost in the event of hardware failure or data corruption. What does this mean for you? With data loss at near zero, comprehensive support for hardware and guest OS systems like Windows and Red Hat, and lower operational costs with unified management, it's easy to see why this simple-to-use system is getting people excited. So many things can happen in 3 days. But now, thanks to Sangfor HCI, losing your most important files isn't one of them.